step into the 2004 Dodge Ram 2500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel disc brakes, intermittent wipers, power steering, AC, driver airbag, variable speed intermittent wipers, and adjustable steering wheel. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.